In this math model video, we will be visiting Neuse River Middle School, home of the Ravens, and taking a look at Miss Tarver's Math Essentials 8 class. The goal of this math model video is to highlight the look for of explicit instruction for academic and functional skill acquisition. Let's take a look at Miss Tarver's explicit instruction.
Do it to each other. So if I go and do this, and this one like this is on your test also. If I go through here, I go through my vertical angle first. Okay, that's vertical. And then this is here. That's adjacent. That's going to be opposite. Okay, opposite. Vertical, and then opposite, and then vertical again. Okay? So we know that this angle here and this angle, all the angles in the yellow are equal. Okay? So when we are solving this problem, we can find the missing angle measurements by using equations. Okay? I need, let me see. Xavier, tell me how could I set this problem up?
6x plus 1 equals 180.
Okay. First of all, what type of angle is this? It's a what kind of angle? Supplementary angle. And supplementary angle equals to what?
180.
180. So we know it equals to 180. Okay, so we would put 180. All right. Now, how you would write the other part of the equation? 6x plus 1 who?
X.
What's this right here? Can you see it? Look at your paper. Look down at the paper instead of the screen.
180.
Okay, it's 180 here. What's this number here?
108.
108. Okay. All right. Next. All right. Riley. What's the next step in solving this problem?
So you're going to subtract 108 from itself.
Okay, so I'm gonna draw my balance line, and we're gonna subtract 108. Why are we subtracting 108?
Because we're trying to get x by itself.
We're trying to get the x by itself, so we have to. Good job. So we're trying to move everything on the other side of the balance line.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good job. So we're going to subtract 108. If I subtract 108 from this side, what do I do to this side?
Subtract 108.
Good job. Okay. What happens to this 108?
You're going to cross it out because it equals 0.
Okay, you cross it out because it equals to 0. Very good. All right, next. Gia, what do I do now?
What you gotta do is subtract 180, subtract it with...
Okay, I wrote the problem down wrong. Thank you.
Oh.
I missed off, but it was a mistake on me.
Subtract 180 with, 180 subtracted by 108.
Okay, when you subtract that, what do you get?
You get 72.
You get 72. Good job. All right. Samir, what do I do next?
We take 6x down.
Okay, so I bring the 6x down and do what?
We divide
What are we dividing by? What number?
6x.
Do we do the x or we just do 6?
6.
Do the 6. Okay. Why are we dividing by 6? What are we trying to do here?
We're trying to,
Well, I saw Xavier hand go up. Xavier, you want to help? Why are we dividing this by 6?
To get the X by itself.
To get the X by itself? Good job. Alright? So when we get this X by itself, alright, why do we put X?
Because
Because what happened? What happens with this?
they cancel out each other.
Okay, but what happened? 6 going to 6 how many times?
1,
1. Instead of writing 1, what do we write?
6, X, 1, X.
We can write 1x, okay? But, however, when you special, I'm trying to teach you, when you go to math 1, instead of writing 1x, we could just write x. It's the same thing, right? It's just the same thing as x, okay? 1x and x. It's the same thing. So if it's no number in front of the x, you can just utilize the x, okay? Okay, so this crap cancels out here. All right, next. Since you said we're going to divide this, so when we divide this, what's the answer? Okay, Justice, when you divide this, what's the answer? You got 72. And how many times 6 going to 72? Justice? 12. Good job. Thank you. All right. So the question here is we would find the value of x. Did we find that value of x already?
Yes.
Yes, we have. Okay. So that means it is complete. Okay.
Ms. Tarver has been using explicit instruction throughout the unit in order to help students understand the process of finding the value of x. At this endpoint of the unit, students are able to fill in the steps necessary to solve the equations because of Ms. Tarver's repeated explicit instruction. The bottom line is, to provide explicit instruction is to teach in a direct and structured way. When teachers use explicit instructions, they make lessons clear, they show kids how to start and succeed at a task, and they give kids plenty of feedback and chances to practice, as we saw in the video. As always, if you have any questions about explicit instruction or any other topic related to math, please feel free to reach out to our department. We are happy to serve you.